Hey guys, today I've got a video about my workout. This is not my entire workout, but it's a part of it. And the other part I will post another time. So, first off, pull-ups. It's great, like, you don't need, you can go to the gym of course, it's great, but it's not necessary. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Even better, because you have to train your grip. And so that's pull-ups. Here it's like a little root with some space under it for dips. And that also works perfect. It's not too much to tell about that. It's more like showing you how I do it and what. Then this is my my log press. It's a log that I press. Also, it's great. It works perfectly. It's just not that heavy. But today I found a new one, a heavier one. And for that, also you have to again, it's grip strength. You can't perfectly hold it like bars, and so you have to turn it a bit, because otherwise it touches the ground. So it trains more things. And then at the end, of course, some chilling, also necessary. Well, that was it. That's part 1, and I'll do another one later. And to my first ever subscriber, you're awesome. I don't know who you are or where you live, but yeah, you're cool. Okay, till next time.